Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye's around here playing somewhere, and Amelia is taking a nap. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. This time of the year for Christmas, people are always asking us, what is the best drone for X amount of dollars?
So in this video, we're gonna let you know our top 5 favorite drones for Christmas in under 5 minutes. Keep in mind, all these drones are gonna be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So let's get to it. We're gonna start the list off with the most affordable drone and the funnest drone that we've ever had on our channel. It's the TheRcSaylors, and we highly recommend this drone for anybody for Christmas because anybody can fly this drone.
That's because it flies itself. It's crazy.
It flies itself, and it has obstacle avoidance with infrared sensors on all 4 sides and on the bottom. You can literally fly this thing with your hands or with the included transmitter.
And it comes with multiple batteries.
So the TheRcSaylors is definitely a drone you want under your tree this Christmas.
The next drone on the list actually came in at a 2nd place on another list we did, but for Christmas, it is one of my favorite picks because to me, Christmas and Star Wars just go hand in hand. And I think there's a lot of people out there that feel the same way.
So we're recommending any of the Star Wars Propel drones, especially the X-Wing, but they also have the TIE Fighter and the Speeder Bike. These are coming in right now around $50 to $65, and I think it would make a great addition to anybody's Christmas list.
The display case alone is worth the whole asking price.
He loves cases.
Trust me. When little Jimmy opens that present and then opens the Star Wars drone, I guarantee that'll be the most excited he is on Christmas Day opening that box. I promise.
In fact, we've actually recommended this for some friends and family to put under their Christmas tree too.
I love it.
The next drone on our list goes up just a little bit in price, but it is a lot of fun. It is a GPS camera drone called the JJ Pro X5 Epic.
It's an amazing drone for the money. Now, we've found it at a couple different sites, so we're gonna link them both in the description box below. Everybody always asks us, the #1 thing that little Jimmy wants for Christmas, or dad, or grandpa, or mom, or anybody, is a GPS drone with FPV on your phone. This is a very popular category, and this one comes in at an amazing price. We recently tested it on our channel. GPS, brushless motors, camera that works on your phone, dedicated transmitter, and it just works really well. The very next drone on our list is going up in price a little bit more. A lot of people always want to know, Nate, what is a good drone with a 3-axis gimbal or a 2-axis gimbal?
With GPS, with a good camera,
They want it all.
and with a good FPV signal.
For as little as possible. And to be honest with you guys, this drone that I'm about to mention has all that packed into it at the same time. You're probably watching the footage of it right now. The Hubsan Zeno.
So the Hubsan Zeno has a 4K camera, a 3-axis gimbal, and it comes in right at $400.
And if you use our pre-order link in the description box below, you can get it for $370, or you can get an extra battery for free. It's a big jump in technology for the level of price, and just trust me when I say that it is a great drone. Last but not least is tried and true.
If you have a big budget, this is definitely going to be the drone for you.
And it's a pretty big budget. Anything that falls under the DJI name is, like I said, tried and true. Yes, it's expensive, but it does work. When you want performance, there is nothing that matches the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro 2.
We personally have the Mavic Pro, and we love it. It has such a nice camera on it. It's extremely reliable, and the FPV signal is just perfect.
It is. It has amazing range and just everything that you would want out of a top tier drone.
So that is our top 5 drones for Christmas in under 5 minutes. If you want a drone under your Christmas tree or have someone that you're shopping for that you want to buy a drone, you cannot go wrong with any of those drones.
Just depends what your budget is. Everything will be linked in the description box below.
And most importantly, don't forget the true reason you're celebrating Christmas this year. Spend time with your family and just enjoy the time that you have.
That's why we love this hobby. It's all about creating memories and finding friends around the world. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!